Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you love woodworking, DIY projects, and creative home decoration, you're in the right place. Today, we're exploring 10 cool wooden wall art ideas that can transform any room into a warm, stylish, and inviting space. Wooden wall art is one of the best ways to add personality to your home because it combines the natural beauty of wood with your own creativity. Whether you're a beginner looking for an easy weekend project or an experienced woodworker searching for your next masterpiece, these inspiring ideas will help you create beautiful wall decorations that friends and family will admire. Grab your favorite wood, prepare your workshop, and let's discover some amazing wooden wall art projects that will inspire your next build. Wood has always been one of the most loved materials in home decoration because it brings warmth, texture, and timeless beauty into every space. Unlike mass-produced decorations, handmade wooden wall art tells a story through its grain patterns, natural colors, and craftsmanship. Every piece of wood is unique, making each finished project truly one of a kind. Modern woodworking has become more creative than ever, allowing makers to combine traditional skills with contemporary design trends. From rustic farmhouse styles to sleek modern interiors, wooden wall art fits almost every decorating style. The best part is that many of these projects can be customized with different wood species, stains, paints, and finishes to perfectly match your home's personality. The first inspiring idea is creating a geometric wooden wall panel. This project combines simple wooden strips arranged into triangles, diamonds, hexagons, or other geometric patterns. The beauty of geometric wall art lies in its clean lines and modern appearance. You can use contrasting wood species such as walnut, maple, oak, and pine to create stunning visual effects without using any paint at all. Careful measuring and precise cutting are essential for achieving professional-looking results. Once assembled, the panel becomes a striking centerpiece for a living room, office, or bedroom. Adding a clear protective finish highlights the natural grain while protecting the wood for years to come. Another fantastic project is designing a mountain landscape from reclaimed wood. This type of wall art captures the peaceful beauty of nature while giving old wood a new purpose. Different shades of reclaimed boards naturally create depth, making distant mountains appear lighter while foreground peaks appear darker. You can cut each layer with a jigsaw and stack them together to create a three-dimensional effect. This project works wonderfully above a fireplace, bed, or sofa because it creates a relaxing atmosphere inspired by the outdoors. Every reclaimed board brings unique textures, nail holes, and weathered colors that make the finished artwork even more interesting. A wooden world map is another project that continues to grow in popularity among woodworking enthusiasts. This decorative piece is both artistic and meaningful, especially for people who enjoy traveling. Each continent can be carefully cut from plywood or hardwood using a scroll saw, laser cutter, or CNC machine. Once completed, the map can be stained in different shades to create contrast before mounting it directly onto the wall. Some woodworkers even add small pins or markers to highlight places they have visited or dream of exploring. This project becomes a conversation starter while adding elegance and adventure to any room. Personalized wooden family name signs have become timeless pieces of wall decor because they celebrate family and create welcoming spaces. Using quality hardwood, you can carve or root a family surname, inspirational quote, or meaningful date into the wood. Decorative borders, floral carvings, or elegant script lettering add even more character. Many woodworkers combine stained backgrounds with painted raised lettering for excellent contrast. These personalized signs make wonderful gifts for weddings, anniversaries, housewarmings, and holidays, while allowing the maker to create something deeply meaningful and unique. One of the most eye-catching wooden wall art ideas is layered mandala art. Mandalas feature intricate circular patterns that symbolize harmony and balance. By cutting multiple wooden layers and stacking them with small spacers, you create impressive depth and shadow effects that change throughout the day as natural light moves across the room. While laser cutters simplify the process, patient scroll saw users can achieve equally stunning results. Choosing contrasting wood colors or adding subtle paint accents creates even greater visual impact. A finished mandala becomes an elegant centerpiece that combines artistic beauty with skilled craftsmanship. For woodworkers who enjoy rustic farmhouse design, creating a wooden windmill wall decoration offers endless creative possibilities. Inspired by old countryside windmills, this project combines circular shapes with weathered finishes to create authentic farmhouse charm. Using distressed wood, whitewashed paint, or reclaimed barn boards adds even more character. Metal accents such as decorative bolts or galvanized finishes complement the wood beautifully. This style fits perfectly in farmhouse kitchens, entryways, dining rooms, or covered patios where it brings warmth and nostalgic appeal. Tree silhouette wall art is another meaningful woodworking project inspired by nature. Trees symbolize strength, growth, family, and life itself. You can create a detailed tree by carefully cutting branches from plywood or by assembling naturally shaped branches onto a wooden background. Some woodworkers incorporate family names into the roots or add leaves representing each family member. Others leave the wood completely natural to emphasize its organic beauty. This project encourages creativity because every tree design becomes unique based on the maker's imagination and woodworking style. A three-dimensional wooden wave sculpture provides a more contemporary artistic challenge for experienced woodworkers. Thin wooden strips are bent, layered, and shaped into flowing wave patterns that create movement across the wall. Different heights, curves, and grain directions interact beautifully with light, producing constantly changing shadows throughout the day. Choosing woods with attractive grain patterns enhances the sculpture's natural elegance. While this project requires patience and careful planning, the final result resembles gallery-quality artwork that instantly captures attention. Another excellent project is building wooden mosaic wall art using small blocks of various wood species. Unlike traditional flat artwork, wooden mosaics use blocks of different thicknesses to create texture and dimension. Walnut, cherry, maple, oak, cedar, and exotic hardwoods each contribute unique colors that naturally form beautiful patterns without relying on paint. Arranging hundreds of carefully cut pieces into abstract designs, landscapes, or symmetrical patterns creates impressive visual depth. Applying a clear finish reveals the rich grain and enhances every color variation, making the artwork truly unforgettable. The final idea is creating inspirational wooden quote art that combines meaningful words with beautiful craftsmanship. Positive messages encourage and inspire everyone who enters a room. Whether you choose a favorite family saying, motivational quote, or meaningful scripture, the words become even more powerful when handcrafted from wood. Raised wooden letters mounted on stained backgrounds create a professional appearance, while decorative frames complete the design. Adding carved textures or subtle painted accents allows each project to reflect your personal style. These inspirational signs fit perfectly in entryways, offices, living rooms, and bedrooms where daily encouragement is always appreciated. Creating wooden wall art is about much more than simply decorating a room. Every project provides an opportunity to improve woodworking skills while expressing creativity through natural materials. Measuring carefully, selecting quality lumber, sanding every surface smoothly, and applying durable finishes all contribute to professional results. Even simple projects become impressive when attention is given to precision and detail. As your confidence grows, you can experiment with mixed materials, incorporating metal, resin, epoxy, LED lighting, or painted elements to create even more distinctive designs. Choosing the right finish also plays a major role in the final appearance of wooden wall art. Clear polyurethane preserves the wood's natural beauty while offering excellent protection. Natural oils penetrate deeply into the grain, enhancing warmth and highlighting unique patterns. Wax finishes provide a soft, traditional appearance, while colored stains allow woodworkers to achieve richer tones without hiding the natural texture. Testing finishes on scrap pieces before applying them to the final project ensures the desired result and helps avoid costly mistakes. Safety should always remain a top priority throughout every woodworking project. Wearing proper eye protection, hearing protection, and dust masks reduces exposure to potential hazards. Keeping blades sharp, maintaining clean workspaces, and following proper tool procedures improve both safety and project quality. Taking your time often produces better craftsmanship than rushing to finish quickly. Woodworking is a rewarding hobby because patience, precision, and practice gradually lead to increasingly beautiful creations. Wooden wall art also offers excellent opportunities for small woodworking businesses. Many homeowners appreciate handcrafted decorations that cannot be found in large retail stores. Personalized signs, custom family names, layered artwork, and unique wall sculptures consistently remain popular gifts for birthdays, weddings, anniversaries, and holidays. By developing your own signature style and maintaining high craftsmanship standards, you can transform a creative hobby into a successful business while sharing your passion with others. One of the greatest advantages of woodworking is sustainability. Using reclaimed lumber, leftover offcuts, or responsibly sourced wood reduces waste while giving valuable materials new life. Small scraps that might otherwise be discarded can become decorative mosaic pieces, geometric accents, or miniature artworks. This environmentally friendly approach allows woodworkers to create beautiful decorations while respecting natural resources and reducing environmental impact. As you continue exploring woodworking, don't be afraid to develop your own original ideas beyond these 10 inspirations. Combine different techniques, experiment with unusual shapes, and allow each project to reflect your imagination. Every successful woodworker started by learning basic skills before gradually creating unique designs. Mistakes are valuable learning experiences that improve future projects and strengthen craftsmanship over time. The more you build, the more confidence and creativity you will gain. Home decoration trends may change over the years, but handcrafted wooden wall art remains timeless because it celebrates natural materials and skilled craftsmanship. Whether your style is modern, rustic, industrial, Scandinavian, farmhouse, or minimalist, wood complements every design beautifully. Handmade artwork also carries emotional value because each piece represents time, dedication, and creativity invested by the maker. Unlike factory-made decorations, handcrafted wooden art often becomes a treasured family heirloom, passed from one generation to the next. Thank you so much for watching. We hope these 10 cool wooden wall art ideas have inspired you to start your next woodworking project and bring more creativity into your home. Remember, every masterpiece begins with a single piece of wood and a great idea. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our upcoming woodworking tutorials, DIY projects, and creative home decor ideas. We'd also love to hear from you in the comments. Which wooden wall art project was your favorite, and which one are you planning to build first? Thanks again for spending your time with us. Keep creating, keep building, stay inspired, and we'll see you in the next video.